Beckett with Line IFS. A lot of other industries utilize big data, and there's a lot of management and decisions that can be made from big data that might otherwise go unnoticed. But as using some of these technologies, we can start to use big data in our favor in agriculture to make better informed decisions. So the topic here for today is that really leveraging, and want to really work with growers and maybe think about leveraging all the precision technology that growers have likely got at their disposal, whether that's equipment that they've got, utilizing new technology with drone and satellite-based scouting, and really being able to take all that information together and able to make prescription-based applications from any type of yield layer or data layer that we collect about that farm, and really be able to apply that and leverage that to enhance productivity on the farm. A lot of times the growers can quickly become overwhelmed with just the amount of data that we're able to collect, because you think about data that we're able to collect today, we can track how many hours of fuel a tractor is using on a field by field, acre by acre basis and generate a map. So with that, growers can very quickly get bogged down and trying to decipher which parts of data is relevant to making good cropping decisions. And so when yield monitor technology first came about back in the 90s, a lot of times all we were doing was generating pretty maps. And I think we've kind of gotten back to there now that all we're doing is generating pretty maps. From a lot of my expertise, a lot of the things I work with, I really wanted to just, be an advocate that we're utilizing a lot of this data to the maximum capability as far as, making in-season decisions, even making decisions for next year's cropping system by the data that we're generating across our fields. Really, it's best just to kind of pick one area that the grower is able to implement into their operation and then build upon that year after year and not try to do too much in one season, because I feel like when we try to take it all in at once, growers and even myself at times can become discouraged or frustrated just because there's so much technology coming at you all at once. But if we can take some baby steps and then continue to build upon there, I see the most success around with building prescription applications or just utilizing precision-based technologies into a grower's operation. That starting small and then working their way up is sometimes the best approach. I would encourage growers that if you've got more questions about precision-based technologies, is really figure out where a grower or where yourself would like to start first, whether it's with the planter, the combine, or anywhere in between, is that first maybe look towards your trusted equipment advisor or even to your retail advisor and try to really understand of just that one area that you're interested in learning more about, of all the different ways how we can connect all the different pieces of the puzzle, because likely your equipment advisor is going to have one piece of the puzzle, and maybe even your retail advisor and maybe even your seed supplier may have another piece of the puzzle. But really having communications around all of the different parties that a grower may work with, and to understand how just that, say maybe just planting, how everybody can kind of work together to make a successful planting season for a grower might be one great place for a grower to get started.